And whose fist was that?
That was Miss Heard's fist. Amber Heard's fist.
Amber Heard's former nurse testified that she received pictures of the actress with red marks on her face and was told she was suicidal. Erin Filati testified on Monday that she had written in her nursing notes in November 2015 that the actress was experiencing increased anxiety as the high-profile defamation trial between the feuding exes entered its fourth week. Keep watching to see how Amber Heard's nurse exposes her for having major outbursts at Johnny Depp. Please watch the entire video, click the subscribe button, and enable notifications to receive new updates. Heard's sister testified in court via pre-recorded deposition that Heard's sister told her that the actress kept saying she wanted to kill herself in March 2015 after Heard returned from Australia following the couple's explosive fight. After Judge Penny Askered called an early end to Monday's proceedings before Filati could finish her testimony, the healthcare worker is said to be questioned by Johnny Depp's lawyers today. The court was shown photos of Heard's bruised and red face that she had sent to Filati. "I'm not an expert," Filati said of the photographs. "I mean, there's color on her face in different places and I'm not sure what it is." Filati recalled texting Whitney Heard, Heard's sister, to check on her after the actress returned from Australia. "Thank goodness she must be exhausted," Filati wrote in a text. "Would you like me to come to the loft, or is she safe and sound asleep?" "Safe?" said Whitney. "No, she's not. She has repeatedly stated her desire to commit suicide." In her nursing notes from November of that year, Filati wrote in her nursing notes that Heard had been experiencing increased anxiety with several outbursts of anger and rage. Filati told the court that she was there to calm things down a bit in layman's terms. She recalled an incident in London in 2014 in which Heard was very angry because she believed her phone had been hacked. On December 17, 2015, Filati wrote in her nursing log that Heard was weepy and sad and slouched after a fight with Depp. Heard had visible bright red blood appearing at the center of the lower lip and was actively bleeding. Heard's head is bruised and she lost clumps of hair in the altercation, according to the notes, and she was advised to get it checked out. In a note from May 26, 2016, after the divorce was filed, Filati stated that Heard felt it was the hardest time of her life and that she can't deal with the negative publicity. Earlier on Monday, Depp's agent testified that Heard's 2018 op-ed piece in the Washington Post, in which she described herself as a victim of domestic abuse, was catastrophic to his career and coincided with the loss of a $23 million deal for a Pirates of the Caribbean sequel. On cross-examination, Heard's attorneys pushed back hard against the agent's assertion, claiming that the article was insignificant in the context of Depp's own bad behavior. Depp is suing Heard in Fairfax County Circuit Court for libel, claiming that her article defamed him by referring to herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. The article never mentions Depp by name, but Depp's lawyers claim he was defamed because it makes a direct reference to abuse allegations made by Heard in 2016. Agent Jack Wiggum testified Monday that Depp was still able to work after the initial allegations were made against him. In 2016, he was paid $8 billion for City of Lies, $10 million for Murder on the Orient Express, and $13.5 million for Fantastic Beasts: The Crimes of Grindelwald, all of which were shot in 2017, though contracts were signed before the allegations were made. However, he claimed that the Washington Post piece was particularly damaging to Depp's career. Wiggum described the op-ed as a first-person account extremely impactful. Following that, he claimed Depp struggled to find work. He had to take a pay cut down to $3 million to do the independent film Minimata, and a verbal deal with Disney for a Six Pirates film was cancelled, according to Wiggum. However, during cross-examination, Heard's lawyers questioned whether the Pirates deal had already gone bad by the time Heard's article was published. Wiggum admitted that he never had a written agreement with Depp to appear in a Six Pirates film. And while he claimed that Pirates producer Jerry Bruckheimer expressed interest in Depp returning to the franchise throughout 2018, Disney executives were non-committal at best. Heard's lawyers have cited a number of factors as damaging Depp's image more than the Post article, including reports of heavy drug and alcohol use, a lawsuit filed in July 2018 by a crew member who claims Depp punched him on set, and a separate libel lawsuit Depp filed against a British newspaper in 2018. To be successful in his Virginia lawsuit, Depp must demonstrate not only that he was falsely accused, but also that the op-ed piece not Heard's abuse allegations in 2016, when she filed for divorce and obtained a temporary restraining order, caused the damage. Depp's attorneys also presented testimony from an intellectual property expert who testified about Depp's bad reputation. However, his own data, which showed trend lines from Google searches, revealed negative spikes following the 2016 abuse allegations, but negligible or non-existent changes following the Post article. The trial has reached the 4th week. Much of the testimony during the first 3 weeks focused on Depp and Heard's volatile relationship. Depp claims he has never hit Heard. During the trial's opening statements, her lawyers stated that Depp physically and sexually abused her on multiple occasions. This marks the end of the video. Please share your thoughts on this. Let us know in the comments section. Share our channel and subscribe for more exciting content and up-to-date information. See you in the next video.